Today, anyone can design an app in minutes. You type a prompt, you get the UI, components, and even the code. But the real question is not that if we can design any faster. It's, are we still designing for humans, or is it just designing screens? In case we haven't met before, I'm Aida, a product person, and I spend a lot of time thinking about how technology shapes decisions, behavior, and emotions. But lately, that question has become unavoidable with AI. Today, I want to talk about 3 popular tools: V0, FigJam AI, and Relume. What they do well, how we should use them in UI and UX, and most importantly, how not to use them. V0 is amazing at turning your text into a production-ready UI and code. You describe a design, page, or layout, and suddenly it exists. It's fast, impressive, and extremely useful. But V0 builds interfaces, not experiences. It doesn't know why something exists or who is frustrated, stressed, or anxious on the other side of the screen. FigJam AI. FigJam AI is great at generating user flows, journeys, personas, and brainstorms in seconds. It's great at organizing information and filling the canvas, but it doesn't know which information matters the most. It hasn't listened to a user hesitate before answering, or it cannot notice users' frustration in their voice. Relume helps generate sitemaps, page structures, and component ideas, especially for SaaS and marketing websites. It can give you the structure quickly, but not the strategy. So the question is how we should use this tool. The healthiest mental model for this is AI is an accelerator, not a decision maker. You can use it to speed up repetitive work, generate first drafts, explore multiple directions, and create options you can critique. Use FigJam AI after user interview, Relume after defining the business goal, and V0 after deciding how an interaction should feel. And here's how we should not use them. Mistake 1. Designing without users. If your input is just a prompt, your output will feel empty. Mistake 2. Letting AI define the problem. AI shows you what already exists, not what should exist. Mistake 3. Shipping without human judgment. Design is not about generating, it's about choosing. And mistake 4. Optimizing for speed and not for the meaning. That's how products become generic and cold. A simple human-centered framework will start with the human, uses AI in the middle, and ends with human judgment. The future of design isn't just AI, it's humans with AI, in which AI helps humans build the perfect product. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe for more similar contents. And let me know how are you using AI in your design process right now.